So design pattern in Java, factory method pattern. So a factory pattern or factory method pattern says that just define an interface or abstract class for creating an object, but let the subclasses decide which class to instantiate. In other words, subclasses are responsible to create the instance of the class. The factory method pattern is also known as virtual constructor. Advantage of factory design pattern. Factory method pattern allows the subclasses to choose the type of objects to create. It promotes the loose coupling by eliminating the need to bind application-specific classes into the code. That means the code interacts solely with the resultant interface or abstract class, so that it will work with any classes that implement that interface or that extends that abstract class. So usage of factory design pattern. So when a class doesn't know what subclasses will be required to create, and when a class wants that its subclasses specify the objects to be created, and when the parent classes choose the creation of objects to its subclasses. So UML for factory method pattern. So create a plan abstract class and concrete classes that extends the plan abstract class, and a factory class getPlan factory is defined as a next step. Then generate build class will use the getPlan factory to get a plan object, and it will pass information domestic plan or commercial plan or institutional plan to get a plan factory to get the type of object it needs. So a factory pattern or factory method pattern says that just define an interface or abstract class for creating an object, but let the subclasses decide which class to instantiate. In other words, subclasses are responsible to create the instance of the class.